here in day 2 of the Sales Fundamentals Workshop. This is our 6th annual, and what our goal is here today is to take what we learned yesterday about being prepared and coming with a plan and being confident and really being knowledgeable about the person that we're meeting with. And today is all about putting that into action, meeting with some real builders to really understand their real world problems and to see how we can deliver value. Even though there's an element of this being a manufactured environment, we can still learn from every interaction. And the builders that are here want to share their pain points and their challenges to ultimately help us be better salespeople. So after the meetings, we held a panel to allow all the audience members to ask questions to learn from each builder that they might not have shared with everybody. And finally, there's always a scoreboard. We have been keeping track of the score for 3 days now. So we are going to announce the champions who have earned these points, and we're excited to give them the championship rings.